Hello everyone. Today I welcome you all in my YouTube channel BAMS Lectures. Today we'll talk about top BAMS colleges in India. So number 1 in our list is National Institute of Ayurveda, that is Rashtriya Ayurved Sansthan मानद विश्वविद्यालय डी नोवो आयुष मंत्रालय भारत सरकार. National Institute of Ayurveda deemed to be University de novo Ministry of Ayush Government of India. So friends, what is NIA? NIA is the first central government funded institute to be declared as deemed to be university in the field of Ayush. This feather in cap achievement came as a recognition of NIA having 175 years of legacy and for promoting the growth and development of Ayurveda as a model institute with high standards of teaching training, research and patient care with the scientific outlook to the knowledge of Ayurvedic system of healthcare. NIA currently offers academic programs in all levels: undergraduate, that is BAMS, postgraduate in MD or MS in Ayurveda, postdoctoral, that is PhD in Ayurveda, diploma, DAN and P. Besides, NIA is the only institute in Ayurveda segment to offer 6 interdisciplinary MSc courses. You can also apply for them here. NIA also runs many certificate and short-term courses related to Ayurveda. Example, Panchkarma technician, etc. Let's talk about now about the courses which it offers. First is PhD, then PG in MD or MS, UG, DAN and P, Panchkarma technician, Shar Sutra certificate course standardization of Ayurvedic medicinal plant material, and many more. Now let's talk about clinical aspect of this institute. So, the NIA hospital block consists of OPD and IPD facilities on 280 general beds in campus and 11 private wards, Panchkarma unit, yoga unit, central library, laboratory, primary emergency care unit for IPD patients, deluxe wards, cottage wards, cubicle wards, general wards, operation theatres, consultation rooms, X-ray, ACG, sonography room, physiotherapy, facility, etc. The main objectives of the hospital is to provide medical care through Ayurvedic system of medicine to the suffering humanity, and the institute is doing excellent activities in the field of patient care activities through its OPD. Panchkarma therapies, primary emergency care unit for IPD patients, central laboratory with pathological tests and every other feature which a hospital can include this institution consists them all. So NIA is a very good option if you are going for BAMS in your counseling. Now let's talk about the departments and unit. It has Kaya Chikitsa department, that is a department of general medicine, Panchkarma department, Shalya Tantra. When you will study Ayurveda, you will know about all these departments and what they are called in modern. So basically, overall, this is a very good institute in which you can take admission and pursue your BAMS degree. The second institute we are going for is Ayurveda and Unani, Tibia College Hospital, Ajmahal, Khan Road, Kharol Bagh, New Delhi 11005. It is a government college which was established in 1921 by Mahatma Gandhi. It is recognized by the Central Council of India and Medicine is affiliated to the University of Delhi. The college offers UG and PG courses in Ayurveda and Unani medicines. Admission to all the courses is done based on the marks obtained in the entrance exams like NEET UG and AIPGT. There are no semester exams. There is an yearly examination only. There are practical and vivas which are very difficult as it is given in reviews by the students of this institute. The hostels are also available and there is greenery with lot of trees. Good quality food is available in mess and 1 year fee of hostel is 750 per year, which is approximately negligible. The principal of this institute is Muhammad Zubair and founded it in 1882. The founder is Hakim Ajmal Khan and the campus runs around 33.5 acres, that is 0.136 kilometers square. The director of this institute is Rajkumar Manchanda. Now let's talk about its fees. The BAMS course offers fees 10.7k per year and the eligibility is 10 plus 2% exams in NEET. Let's talk about MUHS, that is Maharashtra University of Health Sciences Higher Educational Institute in Nasik, Maharashtra. MUHS is a government university. Yes, it is a government college affiliated with the Union Grant Commission in Nasik, Maharashtra. The Maharashtra University of Health Sciences is one of the top universities for studying both modern medicine methods and Indian system of medicine. This university was established in 1998 by the state government of Maharashtra through an ordinance. MUHS offers undergraduate UG courses, postgraduate PG courses and PhD courses in medical, dental, Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy, nursing and physiotherapy. The university also offers fellowship certificate courses and UG or PG diploma courses under various specializations. Next, let's talk about the fee structure. So, for a BAMS student, the INR 1.1 lakh to 13.1 lakh per annum is the fees of this institute. Now, let's talk about the Uttarakhand Ayurveda University, that is popularly known as Land of Gods. The city of Himalayas has a total of 12 BAMS colleges and ranks number 1 in them. It is a public state university located at Dehradun, Uttarakhand, India. It was established in 2009 by the government of Uttarakhand through the Uttarakhand Ayurveda Institute Act 2009. It focuses on teaching and research of Ayurveda as well as other areas of Ayush. It has very good hostel facilities and campus life. Infrastructure and facilities provided by the hostel was very good. There are separate hostels for both boys and girls. The university appoints a hostel warden who takes care of the students and its amenities. Facilities provided by the hostel were reading room, internal facility, TV room, dining hall, power backup facility, playground, etc. The hostel campus was very clean and calm. There were 24-hour security at the entrance gate of the hostel. Let's talk about campus life. The university organizes many sports and cultural activities and encourages the students to participate in various activities. Many indoor and outdoor games like chess, carom, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, cricket are organized in our university campus. Besides these, many cultural activities like singing competition, dancing competition and other functions are also involved. So, if you are planning to take a course in this university, your dream might come true of having a good college and campus life. So, let's talk about Gujarat Ayurveda University. Gujarat Ayurveda University is a pioneer statutory university in the field of Ayurveda, established in 1965 by an act of Gujarat state government which imparts teaching, training and research in various specialties of Ayurveda. Apart from undergraduate education, university is conducting postgraduate education in different subjects of Ayurveda and a high-level clinical and experimental research on the field. Looking to the growing popularity of Ayurveda in foreign countries, the university has taken responsibility to work as a nodal agency for propagation of Ayurveda globally. The university has designed courses in Ayurveda, pharmaceutical science, Ayurvedic medicinal plant sciences, and yoga and naturopathy. Foreign students from various countries of Asia, Africa, Europe, and Latin America are attending the short term and long term courses and clinical training in different departments of the university. The university has vast, sprawling campus and beautiful infrastructures. It has more than 300 bedded indoor facility hospitals for the treatment of patients, research, and clinical training of students. More than 1500 patients are attending the various OPDs of the university. hospital which has a facility for specialized Ayurvedic treatment like Panchkarma, Shar Sutra, etc. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video, and if you wanna know any more about any such topic, you can comment here, and please do like, subscribe and share my channel BAMS Lectures. Thank you so much for being